welcome. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Super AI software works. Super AI is the world's first supermodel, a revolutionary platform that packs every single AI model ever created into one brain-dead simple dashboard to automate your entire business. With Super AI, you can now unlock the power of the world's smartest AI engines like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Manus, Llama, Gemini, Apple Intelligence, and many more, all in one place. No API costs, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no hassle. To get started, simply click on the AI suite. You'll be taken to this interface where you can explore a wide range of powerful AI tools, like text-to-speech, photo avatar, custom videos avatar, screen recording, and others. You can also search for anything based on your needs. For example, type avatar to access photo or video avatar tools, type voice cloning to find our voice cloning tools, or search for features like talking head videos, image to video, and more. You'll also find a quick start menu to help you jump right into action. Let's explore a few of the core features packed inside Super AI, all powered by different AI models. Text-to-speech. Convert any text into high-quality voiceovers, audiobooks, or podcasts. Select your speaker voice and language, adjust speaking rate, pitch, and volume. Click Generate, and your audio is ready. Photo avatar. Create photo avatars by entering a description. Choose size and quality, standard or HD. Click Generate Image and your avatar will be ready in seconds. Custom video avatar. Generate video avatars easily. Upload your avatar video, select an audio source or upload your own voice. Click Generate and the talking video avatar will be created for you. Screen recording. Record your screen with a single click. Start recording instantly. Copy the link, download the video, and share it with your audience. Screen plus webcam recording. Record your screen with a webcam overlay for more engaging presentation, demo videos, tutorial, etc. Choose a webcam position, top left, top right, bottom left, etc. Start recording and capture both screen and camera view. Share or download the result instantly. Image and video library. Access millions of royalty-free images and videos to use in your content, completely free. Just search, preview, and use. Talking head videos. Choose a template, record or upload a voice, and generate engaging talking head videos in minutes. Great for content creators and marketers. Image to video. Turn your still images into animated motion videos. Upload an image, add your motion prompt, click Generate, and watch your image come to life. AI Content Generator. Generate content in multiple languages for your business, website, or software. Choose language, tone, and content type. Enter your prompt or speak it with voice command. Copy or export your result instantly. Voice cloning. Clone any voice, celebrity, or custom. Record via mic or upload audio. Super AI reproduces the voice instantly for use in other projects, and lots of other elite AI tools. Super AI comes fully packed with premium tools to help you automate and scale your business without technical stress or monthly fees. Whatever task you need, just input your prompt and Super AI finds the perfect tool or model to execute it, all from one intuitive dashboard. One supermodel, infinite power. Remember, no API keys, no monthly billing, lifetime access. This is your once-in-a-lifetime shot to secure lifetime access to the only Super AI tool you'll ever need. Grab it now before it disappears. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.